Good evening friends, welcome back to my channel Digital Shadow. Today I'm going to take you on a tour, home tour, home where I'm very much associated. I've been staying all the while and till date. So this is one of my home, but I have got two other consecutive homes which also I want to show you, provided you watch this video, like, share, comment and subscribe. So this is the dining cum drawing area. As you can see, the sofa set. Okay. So this is the cabinet, and this you have seen because this is my favorite synthesizer which I play and have played on many tracks, and I posted such videos. So here it goes. And this is the shoe rack. This is the center table, round shaped table. This is the sofa, my couch, and this is the dining table of 6. I know a bit scattered nowadays because of medicines and all. So this is the refrigerator. And this is the LED TV that we have. Okay, so this is the kitchen. This is the balcony, and come. These are the two washroom, and I'm not going to show the washroom because that is not required. So this is my mom dad's room, and that's my room. I'll take you there, but before that I'll get into it. This is the chandelier, jharbati. Entering to my mom dad's room. That is my mom's favorite corner where we pray every day. And this is the small dressing table and the stool with this, and these are the cabinets. That is also a loft, as you can see. It's very essential, and the cups are there. This is a painting, wood falls. Okay, so this is the room. Now time for mine. Hello, come. So as you can see, this is my bed. That goes without saying. The almirah, the cupboard. Okay, and these are the books that I have. This is a place where I've kept many of my old books plus my toys, which I have I used to play and have posted in one of my videos. And this is because nowadays we are working from home, so this is my workstation currently, my temporary workstation. So it's actually, I cannot show you, but this, it has a stand in it. You can just remove that and it will be plain and simple. Okay, and this is my rack. You can see the doll's house. I've posted the video, my two dolls, Rick and Neha. Okay, and this is the door to balcony. So this is a corner plot. You can see this is a field, and there is a community center right over there. And we have our all kind of puja in that particular field beside the community center. So as you know, Saltlake, I have posted a video on that also, but it was a night drive though. But it's quite, planned, well planned city. So everything we have over here, and market is also nearby. So yeah, that was all about my small home. So keep watching. If you you like this video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Goodbye.